What is good with Yasana is that we manufacture in-house. So, however, our raw materials come from different sources outside the United States. So that's where we're going to be affected in terms of the prices of our raw materials coming in from outside, getting into the US. But from the US to the Philippines, we're not going to be affected that much, but there
Oh,
will be for sure effect in terms of the pricing of our raw materials, which eventually will impact our pricing here in the Philippines. But we're have a lot of buffer for now that we don't need to do any adjustment just because of the tariff po. So we promise our associates that the tariff for the meantime will not impact our current pricing, the one that we have for Yasana, because we've got a lot of, well, not a lot, but enough buffer to cushion the blow somehow.